So this morning I've got to split some leather using one of my favorite machines. This large cast iron piece of machine is called a Bell Skiver, and it splits leather. The reason why I need to split it is because the automotive leather that I work with is 1.3 millimeters thick in terms of its section width. How do I know it's 1.3 millimeters thick? Because when I measure it, this is in graduations of tenths of a millimeter. When I measure it, it's 1.3. If I am sewing two pieces of leather together, now I'm dealing with this width, which is double. It doesn't show up well on camera, but it's double. Now it's 2.6-ish, 2.7 millimeters. So to resolve that problem and get rid of the seam bulk that will occur when you have two pieces of leather sewn together, you get like that bulbous, bulky section, which is unsightly. What you do is you split the leather so that each piece is, let's call it 6/10, 7/10 of a millimeter thick. And then when you put the two pieces together, you get your 1.3. Makes for a very good looking seam. So this morning I'm just calibrating my machine because when I split or skive these sections, I only want to skive the portion of my seam, which is like, I don't know, 5 mil, 10 mil, depending on what I'm working on. So I'm gonna run this piece through the machine now and just show you what it does. So I'll put down my presser foot, run it through, and you can visibly see the difference in the leather. And when you measure it, it's like 0.7. So, one of my favorite machines. I'm gonna split some leather this morning to work through some projects. Thought I would show you guys how this thing works.